I'm creating a beam bar which actually have two different edges size. Front plane, new sketch, click the sketch, center rectangle, and then I use smart dimensions. So I just put 200. I also put 200 here. And then, okay. You have to create a reference. You have to create a new plane. Click reference geometry and then plane. Click your tree. This is a tree from plane. And then this is the length or the distance. So you put 1,000. So actually you can see the change of the distance. For instance, if I put 100, so it changed like that. So you can change it like that. And then if you click flip offset, it changes to the other direction. However, this time 1,000. And then click. Right. So on the plane one, so this is different from plane and then plane one. From the plane one, create a new sketch. And then create a rectangle. And then here thinner, because I said earlier it's thinner, so I put 100. I think it's the same. Yes, so it's the same, so I don't need to do anything, just and click OK. So you have this sketch, and then from here click LOFT H1 and then S2. So that's how it is. Click the thin feature, one directions, because it's not going to change the size actually. You know, the length, the actual length 200 and 100 earlier that we created. And I put 30, so the thickness changing as well. Oh, we can do 20 actually. So if we create, so this is nice. And then I click OK. You see, if you look at this, you see how it's narrowed down.